Hi, I'm Phil with Pipework Services, Chatham, New Jersey. Today we're going to go over a few questions that commonly come up during the installation of a generator. How often do I need to maintain the generator? Basic maintenance on a Kohler generator is once a year or every 150 hours of runtime. After that, you're required to check the oil every 8 hours of runtime, which works out to about 2 or 3 times a year. How often do I need to check the oil in the generator? As the owner of the generator, you're supposed to check the oil every 8 hours of runtime. This usually works out to 2 or 3 times a year if it's only exercising. If you have excessive outages where it's running more often, you need to check it more frequently. During an outage, how long can the generator run for? The generator will run as long as it is supplied with fuel. If you have natural gas service to your home, the fuel supply is indefinite. If you have propane, it will only run as long as the fuel in the tanks allow. You need to speak with your supplier of propane to see how long that will be and how often they can refill them during an outage. What are the parts of maintenance? Typical maintenance on a 20 RCA generator includes an oil and filter change, air filter, spark plugs, a battery test, visual inspection, and an update of software if available. How long will the generator last? The warranty on a Kohler 20 RCA generator starts at 5-year parts and 2-year parts and labor. A properly maintained generator should last you 10 years. What are the benefits of a standby generator versus a portable generator? A standby generator is fully automatic. Unlike a portable generator, you do not have to remove it during an outage, manually start it, and manually connect it to your home, as well as manually provide fuel for it. The automatic generator will come on and run by itself, it will shut down by itself, and other than checking the oil every 8 hours of runtime, there's nothing more you need to do. My power was restored, but the generator is still running. What does this mean? When your power is restored, the generator will often go through a cool down period to bring the internal temperature down to a certain degree. It could run anywhere from a few minutes to 20 minutes, depending on how long it's been running and what the outdoor temperature is. What should be considered when choosing a location for the generator? When choosing a location for the generator, first you need to consider the locations of the utilities for the home, your electrical, your gas. Afterwards, you need to determine what side of the home works best, what setbacks will allow. And another consideration would be the living space in the home. Where are the bedrooms in relation to the generator? Will the noise bother you when you sleep?